Hi there, I found you on the BizSpot directory. My name is Miles Primose, and for the past 18 years I've been helping trades and builders with things such as creating clearer direction, implementing the right business structure, building a better business financial model, getting clear on the client avatar, the leads and the sales process, business automation, creating, setting up and hiring and keeping the right team, and most of all, making the business less reliant on you. Me, like you, sometimes I wonder, what can I do with my trade dollars? If you want to actually have a chat and find out how you can use some of your trade dollars to work on your trades or building business, click on the link in the email below. There'll be a link there to book a 12-minute video call with myself. This has gone out to every trades and builder in the BizSpot directory, so it will be a first come, first served booking. Look forward to talking to you soon. Have a great day.